Alright guys, hello. Today we are at the village on the suburban Nicosia. It's about 45 minutes from the capital. It's called Kakopetria, and we are here to take a walk in the old village, in the rivers, and maybe see if we can get some nice photos. Look at this amazing place, guys. It's a walk by the river with some amazing wooden bridges, and it's just a joy to walk by it. Alright guys, I found this great spot. It's just here by the river. The river is coming crashing down and hitting the rocks, and the effect I think will be very nice. I'm gonna shoot it in long exposure, and I actually don't know what you've heard of this because of the sound of the river. Let's go see what we can get. Alright guys, I think I got a really nice photo by the river. What an amazing place, guys. What an amazing place. I don't know how I didn't come here before. This is the first time we are here, and it's like this place is not in Cyprus. I really like the nature here. I really like the river. And I bet most of you that come to Kakopetria Village never visited this nature trail. I strongly suggest you come, you walk the trail. It's very, very small. It's very, very easy. And I'm 100% sure you will enjoy it, and you will most likely want to come here again. Here we are just under the old village of Kakopetria, and I'm sure most of you that come from Cyprus actually visited this place. but never caught down here, or actually never knew that this place down here existed. So let's go a bit further. I think I saw something that looks like a waterfall a bit up ahead. So let's go. Alright, one thing I just wanted to say is that this tripod I got with me today is macrotopy free. It's just horrible. I bought it just because it was light, but it doesn't seem to get the job done. The clips on the upper side seem to get unclipped and the tripod opens by itself. So I don't think I'm gonna use it again. I'm shooting 2-minute exposure of the water behind here. I hope that it will make a good shot. I think this shot came out pretty well, guys, so we're gonna go finish the hike now. We're gonna go from the old village of Kakopetria, which is just over us, and then we're gonna go grab a dessert and a coffee and go home. What a great place, guys. We really enjoyed our walk in the nature trail of Kakopetria Village. I strongly suggest that if you are visiting Kakopetria, just take this trail. It's about 1 kilometer, runs from the center of the village, and you will finish it in about 30 minutes or more. Depends what you want to do. Took us about 2 hours. So that's it for today. I think we had nice shots. Most definitely we had an amazing time, because this is the first time that we are here, and I really enjoyed this place. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up, and see you next time.